Sanyal, the actor of the film. The music director of the film. Varun Grover, the lyricist of the film. Nitin Karthikeyan and Isha Kapoor, the stylist of the film. Siddharth Mathavan, the production designer of the film.
Because I feel really disappointed by your film and really let down by it.
Okay.
Because I don't know what was the exact point behind your film. Was it the story of a psychopath who is plainly driven by his masculine self-pride and his sexual insecurities? If that was the point.
Exactly, you got the point, I think.
Right.
Is there perhaps do, because I would love to see, how this guy kills Elena, this beautiful woman. I mean, if you could love to.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
I want to tell you,
Yeah.
I felt the movie was brilliantly handled. The subject was sensitive. The actors were superb. For
Thank
a
you.
first protection, outstanding.
Thank you.
Outstanding.
Thank you.
I hope you get.
See, one thing I would like to tell you is, mostly this whole Q&A session, what you do is you'll keep asking me stuff and I'll keep giving you spoilers. It would work more like we have done some screenings before, some screenings when the print was not ready. And the kind of response we used to get is, people used to call us 2 days after or 1 week after, and they used to tell me how they could interpret of some of the scenes, or the kind of interpretation that they could have got of some stuff. So it is very important to kind of absorb the film, sleep over it, and then come up with your own interpretations rather than asking me some of the things. But yeah,
Hi. I just wanted something. I just come from Prague. We spent about 7-10 days there.
Yeah.
I think your movie was awesome. I think
Thank you very much, sir.
Beautifully.
Thank you.
Very well.
Oh,
Very well.
thank you.
Excellent.
Hello, sir. I think some way I think that it is very important for this film to form a debate which is happening right now. So it is working. Yes, the next question, please.
Hello, sir. Here, on your left. On your right.
Yeah.
First, I would like to congratulate you on your fine work. It's
Yeah, thank you very
amazing.
much.
The way you shot it, everything was good.
Thank you very
And
much.
I have a question for the writer.
Yeah. He is the most fucked up guy here. Where is he?
When he wrote the script, and the story, okay, you can answer this.
Yeah. Tell me. I am the co-writer of the film. You can ask me as well. Yes.
When you wrote the script, did you write the end as it is, or it culminated into that end right now? When you shot it?
Yeah, see the end, to me the film ends where this guy just opens the door and goes out of the room. There was a separate end where he started seeing Elena again. So, yeah, there were some things that we do for some kind of commercial value that it can get. Yeah, so in a film, mainly in India, there are some places or some scenes where the director says sorry. So it can be that space, So yeah, you were right. That end was something else, but it was working. Yeah, we had written 2 ends. Yes, In fact, we were thinking that we'll have 3 ends. And it was a strategy that we'll play 3 ends in 3 different theaters as well. But yeah, we had budget as well. We could not do that. So that was the thing. Yes.
If I may, I don't have a question, I just have a compliment. We came a very large crew from the Czech embassy, so...
thank you very much. Thank you.
So, many compliments. Honestly, I have to say, I really like the movie, and I really appreciate that you shot the film in Prague, and it was a huge presentation also for all of us, and by the way, really, the movie was really nice, so... Thank you very much.
Thanks to you and everybody in your country. Thank you very much.
As the film is competition film, I just hope you will win the best prize.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Actually, I think the art, real art always has different meanings, and that is the thing makes different.
Correct.
Other kind of things, art. So, in your movie, I really loved it. It was brilliant.
Thank you.
Yeah, and in this movie, what I thought was, it's my vision that anybody has many sides, many
Yeah.
personalities inside. So I was feeling like, all three were himself, and
Correct.
he needed to kill some things for what he wants, what he really wants. And
Correct.
I think it was very good choice that you mixed it with these illusions of this kind of schizophrenia, and show it much better to people who don't maybe get it well. So it's like life is all illusion.
Correct.
Even he did not have schizophrenia, still life is illusion. So I think you really made it, you took this out well.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, and
Directors, actors.
yeah,
Hi, I have a question. Before that, I just want to congratulate you on one thing.
thank you.
The attention to detail, which most of the first-time filmmakers miss, is something that you actually overcame and you highlighted in the story, which was amazing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
As an aspiring filmmaker, I wanted to ask you a question.
Yeah.
It was not a small budget film, it was a total out-and-out commercial film. If it gets released, it has a story, it's got drama, it's got everything that a commercial movie has to be.
Yeah,
It's got dark
yeah.
edges, but
We have tried best to put all those things here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, is it getting a theatrical release?
Yeah, hopefully, yes, completely yes. We have already got many people who are interested in the film, so that's why the all buzz is happening and all those things. Yes, it will be getting released. We had little tough time because of the language of the film. Language has got a lot of English as well. So these are some things that people are not ready with. So yeah, but Aamir Khan by Delhi Belly has opened some doors,
True.
Let's see if we can enter that door as well. So yeah, that's it.
And because of all these new cases here, and I'm not sure if you're backed by any production house or any person connected in the industry, was it really hard to sell it? Was it really hard to because making is all your decision, but actually showcasing it, getting entries to some festivals and trying to get a theatrical release, you need full strength. So is it really that hard that people make out to be, or?
See, I would say I was very fortunate for my first film for getting a courageous producer like Rohit Khaitan, who can believe in the film. Big round of applause for him. And I would expect that I also get some courageous distributors who can distribute the film. So, yeah, this is one thing that we are dealing with, but now we are getting used to it because it's almost a year since when we are doing this thing, and somehow we are getting successful, getting some of the leads. And yeah, Rohit is a guy who can pull strings very well. So, he will do
No matter the distributors touch this film or not, we'll go ahead and release the film.
Yeah, whatever happens. It's just a belief, nothing else. You can't make anything, you can release anything, you just have to keep your ears and eyes open, that's it. And by the way, about the actors, there are some things like Chandan was the first choice, when we started writing the film. In fact, when we started thinking of the film, Chandan was just rehearsing his play on the same terrace. We called him and said, we are just thinking of a film and we want to cast you. Chandan came from there. Mayank is not an actor, he is an aspiring cinematographer. He was hired just because he had beard. He had beard, I needed some guy who looks like Jesus Christ, so he came there. And Elena was living with the writer. So, yes. Sharing the apartment, yes. She was not living, but she was sharing the apartment with the writer. So she came from...
Ashish.
Yeah.
Okay. The movie was amazing.
Thank you.
But I think we already met us together. But Asif, brilliant work for the music.
Guys, one thing I would like to clarify. I'm really sorry for the sound because the film was in 5.1 sound and it released in like you saw it in stereo sound. So there was some kind of disturbance that was there. And also, I apologize for the spelling mistakes in the subtitles because it was a last time job and we didn't have time to correct it. So really sorry for that as well.
Last but not the least, I just want to know who gave you this idea, because I myself working as an relationship counselor and hypnotherapist. I take people for their mind, clean them up and go ready for the next relationship. So I was like amazed to watch a movie.
Thank you very much. See, the idea was very organic, not organic but accidental, whatever you call it. When we started writing this film, because Rohit had said, yo, let's make it a thriller, So we started writing it, and first we wrote a demonic horror. It started with that. It was so freaking that I freaked out the most and I said, I can't make it. So the demonic horror became psychological horror became a psychological thriller became a psychological romance. So it kept happening, it was very organic, and we shot very fast. We started writing the film in the month of March, and we were on the floors in August. So yeah, it was quite rapid, a lot of stuff was happening on the sets as well, a lot of things were instinctive, improvisation, fuck-ups, a lot of many things happened, but yeah, finally there is a product. So there is a lot of damage control as well, so there is a will, there is a way. That's it. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you everyone. And